Okay, when you are done with your cam and you're going to assemble it into, you've put all your planes on it, you're going to put it into this assembly environment that we've provided you with those downloads from mypltw. If you go to open, we have two. So the simulation has no cam in it. But we've also found out that there's supposed to be a ruler in there and it's not in there. So what we're going to suggest is you use the test, but all you have to do is just delete your cam. So I'm going to open this up and kind of show you how to get started so you can start recording these data points. So you click open. It has a cam in there, so we can just go ahead and click on that cam and press the delete button and it'll go away. And the problem is this ruler is supposed to be constrained, but right now it's not. So if I move this, it moves around. So we need to fix that. So what we can do is we can constrain this a couple ways. There is a plane that is invisible now, but it's under your followers. If you expand your follower, it's called mate with midplane of cam. So I can right click and turn the visibility on, and now I've got this plane that's cutting through the follower like that. So I'm going to use that to constrain the front of my ruler. I'm going to constrain it to that face. I don't want to do flush, so the numbers are showing towards me. So now I can click apply, and now this can move wherever, but it's staying flush with that plane. If I want, I can turn the visibility back off on that, so you can see better. And then the other thing is I need to get the bottom fixed, and I want it to be on the center. And this is nice, and it's a little bit easier because I know that the origin ended up being through the center of the axle handle. So if I constrain that, I can constrain the bottom of the ruler. I'm going to choose mate this time. I'm going to choose the bottom of the ruler, and then I'm going to choose the XZ plane, which is going straight through. It's our our bottom face. And I click that and I click apply. Now I can move this ruler wherever I want, but it can only move left to right. It can't move up and down or forward and backwards. So my ruler now will read accurately at the top and the bottom. The only other thing on here, if you need to know how to assemble this, there's a video that's on my project or my PLTW that'll show you how to get your cam in here. When you're reading this ruler, they've provided you with these two with the two planes here, top of follower and bottom of follower, and these will help you read. So you can move your ruler closer to there, but now when you move your cam and it moves up and down, you can read this plane. That's going to say your bottom of follower or your radial dimension, and then this one will be your higher dimension. And if this bugs you, moving it back and forth, we can always constrain that too. So we can constrain this edge to angle of rotation of follower there, and you could give it an offset of like 0.5 inches. So you just type offset in there and click OK, and now it's spaced out. Or you can change that offset. Maybe that's too far for you. You could do 0.25. Maybe it's too close. You could do an inch. Okay, it's up to you. So that's how you constrain your ruler there, and then you can read this. And I'm going to have another video of how you take these readings and put them into the Excel chart that you need to turn this project in.